The Department of Agriculture, or DA, announced the release of the basis for the maximum suggested retail price, or MSRP, on pork earlier today. While the MSRP on pork is currently being implemented in Metro Manila, the agency is mulling the possibility of expanding the implementation of the said policy nationwide. Maribel Custodio tells us more.
Vegetable sells faster in Myra's Carinderia since vegetable costs cheaper than meat.
Kahit gusto nila, hindi nila nabibili dahil natitira, napapanis.
She expressed her gladness when pork prices dropped after the implementation of a maximum suggested retail price scheme in Metro Manila starting today.
Malaki pong tulong kung mababa. Siguro naman medyo aayos ng kita. Magbababa ng presyo.
The Department of Agriculture released the basis for the pork MSRP. Pork shoulder or kasim should cost at maximum 350 pesos per kilo, while pork belly or liempo is 380 pesos per kilo effective today. Pork retailers at Mega Q-Mart saw a 10 to 20 pesos pork price drop in farm gate.
Kasi nung isang mas mataas ang benta ng liempo tsaka yung laman. Ngayon bumaba ng 10 pesos. Kasi ang kuha namin sa kanila, sabit ulo, buo siya. 305 yung sabit ulo namin. Ngayon lang din nagbaba ng 305. Dati 320, 325.
Although the sabit ulo price has also dropped, a maximum 300 pesos per kilo will also be implemented for sabit ulo or the price from trader to retailer. The Agriculture Department will conduct a periodic review a month after the pork MSRP implementation. The DA will work hand-in-hand with the DTI and PNP on market inspection to ensure compliance with the proper pork prices. Although pork MSRP is currently implemented in Metro Manila, the DA is already looking at the cost structure in other regions to establish pork MSRPs there as well. Meanwhile, the agricultural group SINAG proposes to include vegetables, particularly onions, in the MSRP, as the farm gate price trend of onion has been low over the past 2 weeks.
Sabi natin kasi right now, bagsak yung farm gate niya. Yung white is 25 to 30 per kilo, yung red is between 60 to 70. So kung ganun ang trend, we're suggesting na mag-MSRP na rin para makinabang naman yung consumer sa murang farm gate. Kung nasa 30 lang white, siguro kahit 70 or 80 ang MSRP na. And then yung red, hindi na siya dapat lumagpas ng 100.
SINAG is already coordinating with the DA on this matter. Vel Custodio for the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.